Hello everyone, welcome to Study with CS Education. Today we are going to start new topic input command. Chapter number 6 more on Cube basic programming class 7th. What is input command? Input command is like that when someone asks you what is your name. It means that he want input from you. That name is Rahul, Ankush, Abhay, Rajkumar, Karthik. All that names that he want from you is all our input. In programming, the input command is used to accept data from a user during the execution of code. What is its syntax? Its syntax is input variable name. Variable we have discussed in our previous classes, like a equal to 1. So this is example of variables, or b equal to 2. So b is greater than 1. B is greater than a. So this is example of variables. Variables have string and with that and with this. These are named as string variable. String variables. Let's read further. The following examples show how input statements are generally used. Write this code in QBasic editor and run the program to see what happens on the screen. So these all are example. In this CLS means clear the screen. Whatever is written previously on the screen will be get deleted using this command. ream command जो भी बोल सकते हैं आप इसे. तो this is basically for remarks, or you can say comments. Then we have print. Print is used to show the result on your screen, or to print the result on your screen. Print what is your name. This is a command. Print what is your name. So this is, you can see that the program that is written on left side will be written on this screen, and then you will get the desired output from this command that you have written. Then you have input name string, then you have print, then you have print what is your age, then input age, then print name string, then u, then semicolon, age semicolon, and year old semicolon, then finally end command. We have previously discussed that semicolon, by using semicolon we disappear the gap between the two statements or two words. Let's see the output of this, that statements or commands that you have typed, what output you will get. This is the output. After pressing the F5 key, you will see a question mark along with a blinking cursor, which means you have to enter some value. So it means that you have to give some input. What you have to get input. So computer is waiting for your input, or program is waiting for your input. So what is your name? So if you type the name as Rahul, then this is the input that you give and that program desire. You can see further below. An input statement usually asks a question, stops and wait for an input from the user. When you enter Sarika during the execution of the previous program and press the enter key, you will next be asked to enter your age. Firstly, you will see what is your name. Then you have typed Sarika. Then it's turn of second question, what is your age. Then you have typed 34 year old 34 year. Then the final result you will get is Sarika, you are 34-year-old. This is all the example of program and input command. This process will repeat again and again. Let's read further. Further you have if then else statement. अगर ऐसा होता है, अगर ऐसा होगा तो अगर स्टेटमेंट ट्रू होगी तो उसका क्या ए टाइप होगा, अगर नहीं होगी तो क्या, अगर फाल्स होगा तो क्या बी टाइप होगा. तो ये है इफ़ देन एल्स स्टेटमेंट एग्जांपल. इफ़ मतलब अगर ऐसा होगा, देन ऐसा होगा, अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो ऐसा होगा. तो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ इफ़ देन एल्स स्टेटमेंट. द इफ़ देन एल्स स्टेटमेंट इज यूज्ड when decision making is required in the program. So what is required? Decision making. There are two different ways of using the if then else statement. Syntax one with and if, मतलब कि the programs ends here. This is the final statement. And if. Syntax two without and if. Here the complete statement come in a single line. Let's read further. This is the example. You can see syntax 1 and this is of syntax 2. If condition is true, then commands is you will get that command, else that command, then program ends here. And this is a syntax 2 example. All things are same, but it comes in single line. If condition, then command else command. तो इसका एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस. एग्जाम्पल 1 बेस्ड ऑन सिंटैक्स 1. RAM is used for display the remark. तो this is displaying the largest number. Let a equal to 10. This is the example of variables. Let b equal to 20. If a is greater than b, then print a is the largest number, else print b is the largest number. अगर ये स्टेटमेंट आपकी ट्रू होगी तो आपको क्या ये जो स्क्रीन पे जो आपकी जो स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट होगी वो ये होगी. either या else print b is the largest number, then this statement will be print on screen and the programs ends here. Then we have example number 2. rem displaying the largest number, remarks or comments you can say. Then a equal to 10, b equal to 20, a is greater than b, then print a is the largest number, else print b is the largest number. All things are same, but all the statement or commands come in same line. In the above example, the condition is a is greater than b if the condition is true, that is if the value of a is more than the value of b, then the command written after then is executed. However, if the condition is false, then the command written after else is executed. So this is all we have discussed. Then we have go to command. Go to is used to shift the control. Go to, what do you understand by go to? Go to means, let's take example कि I said I want to go to washroom or go to drink water. तो go to, that means I go there. तो this is the example of go to command. Go to is used to shift the control of the program to the desired command, the command that you required. अगर if you have many commands and then you want to go to B, then you will type simply go to B. So all these two statement will be skipped. Will be skipped with a specific label. To specify where the control of the program should go, the label is specified with the go to command. Look at the example given below to understand the go to command better. Let's take example. You have print line #1. Go to 10, print this line get skipped 10. So you can see we have typed go to 10. So then the output the output that will you get on your screen will be that this line will be skipped, and the go to after print line hashtag 1 your screen will show print line hashtag 2. Then you have print go to abcd, then after that your computer will show this statement or this command on the screen. This line will be skipped, this both line will be skipped, only the following will be shown on your screen, that is go to 10 print line hashtag 2 and then print go to abcd. So then you will print only abcd. So abcd is what? Print line hashtag 3. This is the output. You can see here the middle lines are skipped, this line and the line before hashtag 2 is skipped. You can read from here also, all the things are same that I have told you. Then we have example showing if then else with the go to command. मतलब we have taken both the command if then else and go to in a single statement or single example, you can say. RAM program, RAM मतलब remarks, I have told already. Then you have input either number between 2 and 5. So what you have to enter number between 2 and 5. If a equal to 2 or a equal to 4, then go to 10. So then go to 10. So what you have 10 is print even number. If then इतना एंड इफ, फिर आपका जो प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूशन एंड हो जाएगा. अगर इफ़ ए इक्वल टू एंड ए इक्वल टू 4 नहीं है देन आगे होगा. ठीक, इफ़ ए इक्वल टू 3 और ए इक्वल टू 5 देन गो टू 20. वाट यू हैव 20 इज प्रिंट ऑड नंबर. तो द आउटपुट यू विल get on the screen is print even number and print odd number, and the program execution ends here. Thanks for watching and like, subscribe.